morning, all. I'm Epstein, and here we are with the Morning Flash Update. And this update is for the morning of Monday. We're at the 25th of March, 2024, about 8:10 a.m. Central Time. So you'll wake up this morning. There is some news. We're going to get at 9 o'clock today, home sales data. Then we saw that China is now banning AMD, Intel, and Microsoft from government PCs. Now, I don't know that it's going to be broader than that. It's interesting, the timing of that, because they're having their international forum right now where they're trying to attract foreign business, and here they pick that exact moment to do this. Sort of strange. Then we look at Boeing today. If you're in the stock market, you're going to see the shakeup going. The CEO, the chairman, and the head of commercial planes, bye-bye. They'll go at different times, one right now, the other two by the end of the year. So you're seeing the shakeup there. The market likes it. Boeing was up 6 points just now. So as you look at the market, sort of a mixed bag right here. You still have the gold acting strong and the silver and the copper doing their thing. That's because the dollar is down a bit. Interest rates, interestingly, are just sort of hanging in. Now, remember, we have Good Friday coming up, and that means the stock markets will be closed. You'll have mixed trading in futures. You will get economic data, and you're going to get the core PCE. That's one of the Fed's favorite indicators. The market's already preparing you that the February numbers aren't going to be great. We know that. All right? It's not a surprise, all right? It's going to be the March and the April numbers that we want to see. So I wouldn't get overly shook up one way or the other as to what goes on in that market as you get that. In the grains, you're still getting some short covering in the wheat, and looks to me like the bean markets and the corn just sort of drifting around, not doing an awful lot one way or the other. Now, one of my favorite chart patterns happens to be outside days, because they're either a continuation pattern or an end. You often get them at the end of a big spike up or down, and it tells you very possibly that that part is going to end in the market. How do you recognize it? That's easy. But what do you do with it? That's hard. So I created a course on this, and I show you just how I use them, what I think of them. You see them all the time on charts, so whether it's stocks, futures, ETFs, it doesn't matter. You're going to see it all the time. And how you use it, well, that's going to be interesting. It comes with our charting software. It comes with access to some of my morning updates so that you get to see me as I talk about them. I teach you them. Like I did today, we had a bunch of them. How do you get the course? Go to irapstein.com under the word education. It's not simpler. Or move your cursor to the top here, give it a click, it'll take you right there. I'm Ira. You have yourselves a good morning. I'll catch up with everybody at the end of the day in your market updates. Take care.